In this tutorial, we will be learning about slicing strings with negative indices in Python. Slicing strings means extracting portions of a string, and negative indices refer to counting from the end of the string instead of the beginning. Let's start by extracting portions of a string from the end using negative indices. To do this, we use the syntax, start-end step, where start and end are the indices of the beginning and end of the slice, and step is the number of characters to skip between each character in the slice. In this code, we first defined a string hello world. We then used negative indexing to extract the last 5 characters of the string using -5. We stored the result in the variable last_5_chars. Finally, we printed the value of last_5_chars using a print statement. Now let's learn how to reverse a string using negative values as step. To do this, we can use the same syntax for slicing strings but with a negative step value. In this code, we defined a string hello world. We then used slicing with a step of -1 to reverse the string. We stored the result in the variable reverse_string. Finally, we printed the value of reverse_string using a print statement. And that's it for slicing strings with negative indices in Python. It's a simple but powerful tool to have in your Python programming toolkit.